The all-wheel drive system is rear-biased, giving you enough of a leash to let loose without spinning out. The throttle response from the V6 was smooth and instant. It was easy to manage the car's angle just using the gas. The ZS was so good at clawing its way through the snow, I was convinced it was wearing winter rubber until I looked and saw a set of Pirelli All Seasons. When I wasn't tuning it, the ZS proved to be every bit as quiet and comfortable as I remember. The heated windshield proved its worth when removing the car from its snowy cocoon. Same goes for the heated seats and steering wheel. The infotainment is still disappointing, but the audio system sounds better than most in this class. Now I just need to get a rear-wheel drive model out in the summer. For science.